Important story coming from Mumbai only. The fight between Kangana Ranaut and Maharashtra Sarkar viewers is getting uglier by the day. After demolishing Kangana's office in Pali Hill, Shiv Sena's mouthpiece Samna published a headline saying "Ukhad Diya," indicating open arrogance and brashness and abuse of power. Now this, despite the fact that the Bombay High Court had said that this action does not appear to be bona fide and in fact smacked of malafide. Not just this, but Sena's Sanjay Raut has also said that the Kangana issue for Shiv Sena was over now. Arunil continues to be with us for more on this. Arunil, what is really happening in this case? Explain to us what is going to be Kangana's next step, because Shiv Sena now seems to suggest that for them it doesn't matter.
Well, the Shiv Sena may be wanting to suggest that now the Kangana issue doesn't matter to them. But today's Samna also mentions about the Kangana issue. It basically is trying to put the entire blame on the BJP, saying that Kangana is a card played by the BJP to basically affect the situation in the state of Maharashtra. But also, if you look at it, there is a pressure on the Shiv Sena from its alliance partners. In fact, one thing that we would like to note to our viewers as well, today CM of Maharashtra, Mr. Uddhav Thackeray, will be meeting the spokespersons of all the three parties that they are basically the Mahavikas Aghadi government of parties. This is to unitedly form a stance for the three parties so that there are no differences of opinion amongst the three parties. So now why only at this time that this kind of a meeting is being held? That is also one question that arises. The official reason has been given on the Maratha reservation issue, which has been affected by the Supreme Court. But if you look at it, the NCP Supremo has clearly made it clear that he was not happy, clearly raised his disappointment with the demolition drive of the BMC, and also said that there are many such illegal structures in the city of Mumbai. So why take action against only one structure? But the Shiv Sena seems to be not perturbed by it. The attack seems to be coming from several Shiv Sena leaders and in Samna as well.
All right, Arunil, thank you very much for the moment, for joining us with all of those details. Let's now listen into the reactions on this story.
त्या विषयावर चर्चा करणं आता बंद केलेलं आहे आणि काय चर्चा करायची तर झालं संपलं.
पण पवार साहेबांनी काल एका प्रकारे नापसंती व्यक्त केली होती की
पुन्हा ही चुकीची माहिती आहे. पवार साहेब असतील, सोनियाजी असतील, कोणीही अशा प्रकारचे कुठलेही नाराजी का वक्तव्य केलेलं नाही.
पण आता कंगना राणावत हा विषय संपला आहे की पुन्हा कायदेशीर कारवाई किंवा काय?
नाही संपला. आम्ही ते विसरूनही गेलो. आता आम्ही आमच्या रोजच्या दैनंदिन राजकीय, सामाजिक, शासकीय कामाला लागलो. अजून काय पाहिजे?
पण कंगना राणावत रोज ट्विट करतात. आजही त्यांचे दिवसभरात अनेक ट्विट आले आहेत. शिवसेनेवर, मुख्यमंत्र्यांवर टीका सुरूच आहे.
आम्ही काय पाहिलं नाही, आम्ही काय वाचत नाही. आम्ही सामना वाचतो.
With reference to the statement of Shiv Sena chief spokesperson and the editor of Samna that they do not have anything to do with the BMC's action at Kangana Ranaut's office, I would like to point out the heading of today's Samna, which says "Ukhad Diya." What does it mean? It smells of arrogance, power, blindness, cruelty and cowardice. They must be repenting the action that they took yesterday and pressurize the BMC to actually bend the rule book and take action within 24 hours. And with the kind of backlash that they are getting, now they are trying to distance themselves from the action that BMC has taken yesterday.
इस सारी चीज़ का रिएक्शन हिमाचल में तो होना ही था, लेकिन स्वाभाविक रूप से इसका रिएक्शन पूरे देश भर में आप देख रहे हैं. अगर कहीं इस प्रकार की अभिव्यक्ति की है तो मैं उससे तो सहमत नहीं हूं कि हमको प्रियंका गांधी का मकान तोड़ना चाहिए. ये तो बात उचित नहीं लगती है, क्योंकि वो हिमाचल में यहाँ घर बना करके रहें, ये हमारी जिम्मेवारी है उनकी सुरक्षा की. लेकिन उसके साथ साथ में उन्हें, मुझे लगता है कि भावावेश में अपनी बात रिएक्शन के रूप में बात कही है. इस प्रकार की बात उन्हें व्यक्तिगत रूप से कही होगी, ये ना तो सरकार के स्तर पर ना ही संगठन के स्तर पर. मैं सिर्फ एक बात जरूर कहना चाहता हूं कि फिलहाल कंगना रनावत जी के साथ जिस तरह का सलूक, जिस तरह का व्यवहार महाराष्ट्र सरकार ने किया है वो निंदनीय है. उसकी हम निंदा करते हैं, कठोर शब्दों में निंदा करते हैं, और उनको बहुत सारे मामलों में उलझाने की, साजिश के तहत फंसाने की जो सरकार की, उस सरकार की योजना है मुझे लगता है कि वो उचित